representing my own version of sinangag na kanin. Yan, meron akong corn, meron carrots and patatas, bagyo beans, tirang tuna, tirang chicken, corn beef. Ayan, magic sarap, of course, pampasarap, pampalasa ng aking sinangag na kanin. Mayroon pang cheese, tirang cheese nila yan, oh. Sayang naman kasi tatapon, garlic, onions, yan, tirang kanin nila. O, hindi ko tinapon. Ayan, yung lunch ko, yan yung recipe ko for the day. Ayan, oh, very nutritious, di ba? Yummy, delicious, so delicious. Ayan, para-paraan lang yarn. Di ba? Recycled din pag may time.